we are also reminded of the truth of death. Ang katotohanan ng kamatayan. And today we are confronted with the truth that we often avoid. The truth that all of us will die. Lahat tayo mamamatay. No one escapes death. Death comes to old people, but it also comes to young people. Death comes to those who are sick, but it also comes to those who are strong. Death comes to the rich and the poor. Death comes to the powerful and the weak. Death levels all of us. Walang nakakatakas sa kamatayan. Because even Jesus, the Son of God, experienced death. And so today, the real question is not if we are going to die. That is not the question. The question is, if we die, where will we go? Hindi na dapat tinatanong kung mamamatay ba tayo, kasi mamamatay tayo. Ang dapat nating itanong, kapag ako'y namatay, saan ako pupunta? And so the focus of today's celebration is to invite all of us to face death with faith and to live our daily lives with eternity in our minds.